Home Remedies presents 2-ingredient remedy will vanish insomnia forever in 3 to 4 weeks. Sleeplessness. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and in today's video, I am going to share with you an excellent remedy to help you fall asleep without troubles. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Insomnia is a sleep disorder in which you have trouble falling or staying asleep. The condition can be short-term or long-term. It may also come and go. Short-term insomnia lasts from one night to a few weeks, while long-term insomnia is when it happens at least 3 nights a week for 3 months or more. So today we will make a very simple remedy with easily available ingredients to get rid of this sleep disorder. So let's see how to make it. Ingredients: fresh mint leaves 10 to 20 grams, water 200 ml, pure raw honey 2 teaspoons. Procedure: mint leaves are easily available in vegetable market. You can also dry them and make powder for off-season usage. Keep the powder in airtight jar. 2 gram dry powder can be used in place of fresh leaves. The remedy here explained using fresh mint leaves. Wash the fresh mint leaves with water thoroughly and boil them in water for 10 minutes and strain it into a cup. After that, mix 2 teaspoons honey in it and drink before going to bed at night. With the regular use of this remedy for 3 to 4 weeks, the problem of insomnia will vanish forever and you will get sound sleep. Remember me in your prayers.
If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.